Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now visualize yourself entering a magical island. This island has the ability to both cleanse and ground your energy. With each step you take, you feel more and more connected to Mother Earth as you feel this soft white sand beneath your feet. And just look to your right, where you will find the seashore. Step into the seashore, and as soon as the water touches your feet, you're going to feel so cleansed, energized, and calm. Continue walking through the seashore all the way in until you are able to swim. And when you swim, you will notice the water is so pure and so magical that you can actually keep your eyes open while swimming. And now, as you are swimming, visualize fish of different vibrant colors swimming all around you, orbiting around your body. There's red, green, blue, orange, and all your favorite colors. And now, notice that each of these fishies is there to give you a specific kind of energy. The red one is giving you abundance in all its forms: joy, love, wealth, health. You are worthy of all of these things. I am worthy of unlimited abundance should be your affirmation at this point. And the second fish is there to give you self-love and self-validation, reminding you to always honor where you are in your journey. You're never too far ahead, and you're never too far behind. And the third fish is the color baby blue, reminding you to always honor yourself and speak your truth and never be afraid to express yourself freely. As you take in all of these beautiful and vibrant energies, you start feeling more and more elevated. And the last fishy is the color purple, reminding you of your purpose and reminding you of your true essence, of your soul, and of your highest potential. Try to breathe in as you feel your highest potential vibrating in every single cell of your body. And you are now satiated with all of these energies: abundance, self-love, self-validation, true purpose, and self-expression. The fishies start leaving you, giving you a way back to go back to the seashore. And as you are about to leave the sea, you look behind you and you find that the sun is right in front of you. It's not too far up or too far below. Connect an energetic cord between your belly and the center of the sun as you feel the golden rays of the sun entering your body, igniting your passion for life, reminding you that you are capable of anything you put your mind to. And now, You may choose to lie down on the ground and feel the white sand again beneath your back and Mother Earth supporting you. Connect a cord between the last part of your spine, where your root chakra is, and feel the vibration of Mother Earth enter through your body, giving you all the grounding that you need in this moment, reminding you that you are being supported. And now, just lay there, feeling at peace, at Zen, reminding yourself of where you are. Connect to your breath. Connect to that Mother Earth energy beneath you. And slowly start getting up and walking away from this magical island. Look back, give gratitude to the seashore, the sea, the sun, and Mother Earth. And know that this magical island is always going to be in your mind's eye, and you can always get back to it whenever life gets overwhelming. Thank you for listening, and namaste. Thank you for watching, and namaste.